What's up, everybody? I wanted to give you guys a little bit of some guitar tutorial today. I was going to show you some basic exercises that I like to do to work on just basic dexterity, getting your fingers up to speed. The first exercise I really like because it focuses on pinky strength, which is, the obvious weakest link in your hand operation. So this is just an easy exercise you can do. I like to do all my exercises with a metronome. If you happen to be taping yourself, you can use the metronome on your girlfriend's phone, because it sometimes can be hard to take videos and be tapping away on your metronome at the same time. So I'm going to put this on, and you can either do this. You start on the 4th fret and the 1st fret of the E string and the B string, and you're just going like 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1, and then you ascend and you do the same thing, just up 1 fret, and then you're gonna keep going up. And since 13 is my lucky number, I like to go up until my pointer finger's on the 13th fret. And then you can descend. And you can either, if you think you're comfortable at that speed, once you've gone all the way up to 13 and down, you can go faster. Crank your metronome up a little bit. Or you can just set your timer for 3 minutes and keep doing that. If you do that at a speed that is kind of fast for you, but still comfortable, you'll definitely start to notice a burn after 3 minutes. I'm going to do this double speed for a second. See, if I set that for 3 minutes, I don't know if I could do that for 3 minutes, but I definitely would get a hell of a workout out. And then when your fingers start to burn, you're doing the right thing, because that means that you're stretching those muscles, and before you know it, you'll start to get faster and faster. Yep. So yeah, I kind of like to switch back and forth between, you can do it like levels in video games where at a certain speed you try and get to 13 and back, or you can go for endurance and do it, the long haul, and try and, just make one speed last for 3 minutes. Now the next one, you're going to, this is just the basic pentatonic minor scale, and there's different positions, I believe 5 in total, of this scale on the neck. But for now, we're just going to start with the first one, because you want to get comfortable in that before moving on to the other positions. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do the same thing, just ascending, and you can do the same way, either 3 minutes or just up to 13 and back, or whatever your lucky number is. So the pentatonic scale is just, you're going to starting from the bottom string to the top. It's 4 1 4 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 4 1 4, and then I'm going to go up 1 fret and then backwards. And up again and forward this time. And so you can do the same thing. Get your metronome cranking. You're going to do it all the way up to 13 and then back down. until you're back down to 0. You can either, go till 3 minutes at that speed, or if you're comfortable, you can crank it up and go faster. So yeah, I would start with, you can start with these 2 exercises to begin with, and you can always get better from there. And no matter how much new stuff you can learn, you can always go back to building dexterity and learning to do it more fluidly. And then you slowly add more and more stuff on, but this is a good thing to start with. I'll give y'all some more in the future, but my iPhone storage is probably going to be full pretty soon, so I'm going to peace out for now. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Get working, keep rocking. Have a good day.